than 75 years. This is the Presidential Broadcast Service.
Attention, everybody!
Turn your radio up, turn your stereo up, whatever it is you're listening to. Turn it up.
Nielsen rated as one of the top 10 most listened to radio stations in your car, at work, or in the mall.
The legendary
875 DWFO.
Republica FM1. FM1.
We are DWFO 875 FM1. And that was another day with your hit Music Nation. Thank you for keeping us on your presets. The station is operated by the Government of the Republic of the Philippines. We are now signing off from terrestrial broadcast, but we'll continue to serve you through our online streaming services via the Radio Nation app on Android and iOS. Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem of the Republic of the Philippines.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupit, di ka masisingil, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong baghaw, may nilang ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdiligdig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may magdidilim, lupa ng araw ng walamig pagsika, buhay langit sa atin mo, aming ligaya na pag may mga ating ang namatay ng dahil sa'yo.
May bagong silang, may bago ng buhay, bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan. Nagbabago ang lahat, tungo sa pag-unlad, at ating itanghal, bagong lipunan. Ang gabi nagmaliw ng ganap, at lumipas na ang magdamag, madali bagong silang, may bago ng buhay, bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan. Nagbabago ang lahat, tungo sa pag-unlad, at ating itanghal, bagong lipunan. May bago ng buhay, bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan.